All right, everyone, it's Max from Shop Hero Dashboard. I'm the co-founder and head of product. And in this video, we're talking about tags. So how do I add tags to cards in Shop Hero? So first things first, let's jump back to the card configuration page and tag management. So this is where I can manage tags in my shop. I can come in and delete tags. I can come in and change the color of tags. So if I want to do that, I can, or I can just add tags directly from here. And if I do this, so I'll just say test tag, and I'll make this one a deep blue. So I can do that in my tag management. If you do it this way, you get to add some of that customization. So I get to pick the card color. So now if I come to a card on my board, the three-dot menu, and go to tags, all of these are my pre-populated tags. If I start searching for a tag, I can also, just pull up that tag itself, add that tag to the card, click save, and now that test tag is added to Repair Order 47. The other thing I can do is I can come into tags on the card and I can start typing. So I could say test tag 2, and then I can't click save. If I click save, it won't add anything because I need to actually save it in the system first. So if I created test tag 2, all I'm going to do is hit the enter button and now, or return on Mac, and now I have test tag 2. And you see that it's kind of whited out or grayed out. It doesn't really have any color associated. That's because I'm creating it on the fly, and it's not a selection that I can make here. So if I click save, it'll auto assign a color. So test tag 2 is purple. If I don't like the purple, I can come into tag management. I can come to test tag 2 and say I actually would rather this be a shade of the blue. And now I have test tag and test tag 2. I come back to the board, and there we go. My tags are updated. I can also come into tags and remove them and add something different. So that is adding tags to cards in Shop Hero Dashboard. Also, it's important to note, I can have as many tags as I want on a repair order. It'll just create that, it'll kind of expand the size of the card. So just keep that in mind. If I add tons and tons of tags, we need to display it somehow. The card will get larger. But just as I'm doing here, you can zoom in and out on Shop Hero depending on your screen size and what you have available in terms of software and resolution. And that on Mac is Command plus or minus, and I'm sure that it's very similar on Windows. So something plus minus, maybe Option or Control or Shift. So that is adding tags to cards in Shop Hero. Again, go to your card configuration and tag management to edit all tags on your board. Appreciate it. Take care and see you in the next video.